How to get Google Assistant to read text messages. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get Google Assistant to read text messages. First, go to your phone settings. Then, navigate to Apps and Notifications and select Advanced. Then reach Special App Access and choose Notification Access. Toggle the switch for Google to on and allow access when prompted. Now say Hey Google or OK Google to wake up Google Assistant. After that, say Hey Google, read my messages or Hey Google, read my text messages. Google Assistant will read out the most recent messages in your notification shade. After reading a message, Google Assistant will ask if you want to reply. You can say yes and dictate your response, or no to move on to the next message. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.